How are you today? It's good to have you here for another fun session. The magic keeps on getting better. Let's dive into the editing images category, where we have 3 powerful tools to enhance your visuals. 3 seems to be a magic number. These tools allow you to manipulate and refine your images with ease. Let's explore how they work and how they can elevate your design projects. Introduction to Magic Edit. Magic Edit. This has to be one of my favorite. It's a fantastic tool that allows you to add or replace elements in your designs using short prompts. However, please keep in mind that it's not intended for editing faces, hands, or legs in images. Accessing Magic Edit. To access Magic Edit, you need to be on the Design Editor page. First, select the photo you want to edit within your design. Once you've selected the photo, the Editing tab will appear above your design canvas. Click on Edit Photo to reveal a world of magical editing tools, and then select Magic Edit. Completing 3 simple tasks. You'll find 3 straightforward tasks to complete within the Magic Edit tool. Task 1. Select the area to transform. You have the flexibility to choose which part of your image you want to magically transform. You can select the entire image or just a portion of it. You can reduce the brush size to brush on the small area. The selected areas will highlight in a purple color. Task 2. Describe your desired outcome. In this step, you'll enter a prompt that describes the specific edit you want to achieve. If you're looking for inspiration, there are also some suggestions available. Task 3. Choose from AI-generated designs. Once you've described your desired edit, the AI will work its magic and generate 4 different design options based on your prompt. You can select one that suits your vision, or if you'd like more choices, you can regenerate new results. Magic Edit is not only powerful, but also incredibly fun and user-friendly. It opens up a world of creative possibilities for your designs, making the editing process a magical experience. That was a fun and easy session. Now you see why it's my favorite. And that's the end of Magic Edit. I appreciate you more than words could say, and I am hopeful that these lessons are of value to you. Please let me know how you are getting on. Much love and appreciation, and I will meet you on the next session.